Okay, so time is winding down for the day out here at the proving grounds, and we've got one last Rubicon making an attempt at Big Mac here.
Bring him this way.
Jeff spotting again.
That's not slow. Nice and slow. Go this way. All right, cool. All right, go this way.
Too bad. So far, so good. Oh, his rear is about to sink into that hole. His rear driver is about to sink into that hole.
All right, let's see if we can get him through it. Let's see what back up a little bit.
Yeah.
Just gonna let that back tire drop, see what happens.
Okay.
That might be the situation that sticks you. We'll find out.
All right, we're just gonna let his rear driver here drop into the hole that the FJ Cruiser created moments ago. Here we go. Oh man, he did it. We're gonna see if doing so messes him up. All right, let's see if he can climb back out of that. I think he's good. Wow, there's that Rubicon hardware. Oh yeah. So he's got fairly small tires for this. Whoa, come on. Oh, stop.
Hey, you need to put it in reverse. Yep, I got your back. Put it in reverse.
That's not ideal.
Keep going, keep going. All right.
What if we put that center block in front?
Cut it towards me. Try that. Go forward a little bit. Cut it other way, see what happens that way.
Got a winch, so
okay, there. Stop there.
we might be putting that to use.
What happened? Center block. Sucked up by tire and slammed up against it, but it didn't damage anything. It's saying it works than it is. Are you free spinning now? Get back up. You got that guy with the tractor leader?
Oh yeah, they're leaning against that tree over there.
We're gonna get some traction plates. Hold up.
All right, we'll be back with traction plates. All right, we've got these traction boards. We're gonna try and get them a little bit of elevation so that we can dismount
Pull that out.
his frame from the obstacle tire right here.
Once it gets a little bit of weight on it, it should get traction.
All right, so now we're shoving some sticks under the traction board to try and make more firm contact with the vehicle's tires.
All right, let's try that. Go ahead.
Okay. And we're just spinning.
Get back up here. There you go, bro. Quick stop.
Yep, we're gonna winch it off. That's awesome. Good attempt, valiant effort. All right, so as we can see here, we've got yet again a tree saver hooked to a winch line. And we're gonna self-recover this Rubicon.
Are you going to be operating that? Well, I don't understand theirs. I think it's not yours. Yeah, I don't know. I've never done it before.
So here we are training folks to use their equipment.
You never want to stand there and stand behind a door or tree or...
It's one of the values of coming out to the proving grounds. For new wheelers especially, those who haven't operated their equipment.
Alright, so you're gonna let the winch do the majority of the work on it?
And they can see new equipment that they don't own, that they might want to own, be put to use. So we just suck that traction board in, probably gonna suck this other one in, and I think he's up and over.
Stop. Put on your brake. Bring in the winch. Stay on the brake. Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, ready to drop in the rear. Brake. That. Now drive right brake. There you go. Boom. Look, no business.
Found some Chinesium.
There you go. Got a little damage. Got a story here.
Is it? No, I didn't see it budge on the camera.
That's just the design of it.
Yeah, okay. So maybe that's not Chinesium. Awesome. Wait, we're off. Okie doke. So Erik's here in his LJ, and the last vehicle that we had come over McLochness here got stuck on some part of his undercarriage and had to get winched off. And when he did that, it rolled this tire sort of up and a bit out of the hole that it's planted in. And we're gonna have Erik see if he can either get up, or maybe the weight of the vehicle will sink that tire back down into its proper place. And here we go. Oh boy. Oh, I don't know. It's not sinking down. It's gonna be a lot of easy. Okay, now we done tipped the tire over. Probably let's abandon that. Dang. That was a good try.